Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your security device driver on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to search bar and type device manager. As you can see, device manager option, click on here. Now open it. Now in the left side, you can see all the listed driver list. So here you have to search for security devices. Okay, as you can see this option, click on it. Double click on it and now you can see trusted platform module. Just right click on it and go to update driver option. Now here you will see two options here, search automatic for drivers as well as browse my computer for drivers. So here you have to click on first one. In my case, I have already updated my Windows security drivers. You can check in your PC or as well as laptop. Now I will show you another method. Just close this window, again close this window. Now in the search bar type settings. You can see this option, gear like icon. Click on here. Now after opening the settings, just go to the last one, which is Windows Update. Click on here. Now here you can see this Windows Update option. You can this is my pending download driver. So you can see my update is ongoing. You can check here. You will see option check for updates. You can click on there and you can see whether you got an update or not. In my case, I got an update and it's downloading, as you can see here. So guys, this was an easy video how to update your security devices using Windows Update option. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I keep bringing the best videos out there on Windows 11. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care.